Boots on the ground, putting it down, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's five-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. Thank you very, very much. My friends, I'm joining you tonight in a little turmoil here in America. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, good night to you, my friends. My friends, today in America, we had a good old Trumpster coup d'etat almost. No, it's insurrection. We had some Trumpsters try and take over. These are Trump followers, Trump supporters, tried to take over the Capitol building, and I did a little damage, bust some windows out, and but it's different now because there was one death. One lady got shot and she got killed. So is that blood on the president's hands or what? But they're still out there. They'll probably be out there for the next couple days or so. This thing needs to get over. They need to get rid of Trump probably today or tomorrow because he's egging these people on, and it's not cool, They're finally, working with, they're taking down his Twitter and taking down his Facebook. They're trying to shut the guy out, but the guy can do a lot of damage. He has 2 weeks left. You can push a lot of buttons, in a couple of weeks and start a war and anything else. So be mindful, everybody, that, Trump likes those people that are, as he says, uneducated and dumb people. Those are the kind of people that Trump likes. And from his own words, that's not me talking. That's Trump talking. So if you're from out of the country or anything, you never heard that, we hear that within the country, within America. So, you guys can take that up on KP Video News and stuff. It's just that Trump is not used to losing. And this is from Canada. Yeah, I don't know. What's even more crazy? I don't know. Let me know what's even more crazy than this. This is from somebody from Canada hit me just now. I don't know, but I'm going to go. I'm pushing forward. I don't have a lot of time and stuff. This thing is, I'm a crypto. That's what he said. He said, what's even more crazier than Trump is crypto. Yeah. Well, guys, he's right. He's right. And let me get a current, at over 37,000 right now as I speak, and going higher, crypto is crazy. My friends, as you know, the scoop is for your education, your entertainment, and your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I write these books. Like I got a call from a guy in Phoenix, Arizona, in the desert, investing and understanding Bitcoin currency stocks to buy now, no wallet, no problem. Some of the people that have wallets and stuff are in a lot of problems, my friends, because other countries and other jurisdictions, they want name, addresses, and phone numbers and social security numbers so they can turn you over to the government for the money you've made. So I can't advise you on any taxes or anything because when I wrote this book, I had that in mind, my friends, because I know how the government acts. All you had to do was look at television today and you can see some people they turn on and some people they turn off. So that's the way, there's a lot out there. But see, they can't, if you got a Fidelity account or if you got a Schwab account or something and you're buying stocks, there's, how's that right? How's that marathon? How's that hive doing for you? How's that doing for you, my friends? Because we were in buku early. And that's what everybody's excited about. And it's great that that is going on right now, my friends. It's something else. It's just, we know how to win and we know how to lose graciously, right? Guys, I remember I was a teenager. I was about 13 years old. Just a quick story here. Little League World Series, a little baseball and stuff. We lost to Bitburg, Germany. I was a second baseman. I used to scoop that ball up, throw that ball. Had a good little game, good little game. But when we lost to Bitburg, Germany, it really hit me hard, man. We lost, oh, man, I'm out of the Little League World Series, man. This is the only time I've been here. I won't have a chance next year. I'll be too old, all that kind of stuff, right? So when we got whooped, and I learned then that, you got to be a gracious loser. I cried. We was all, crying, drinking a little soda and all that kind of stuff. Oh, we get them next year, whatever, But you gotta, if you've never experienced losing, and apparently the president, there's been enablers from probably the time he was probably 5 years old on up. that have enabled him to just get anything he wanted. See, we weren't able to, as in the Little League World Series, we weren't able to call the coach and say, "Hey, coach, just give us 2 more runs. Just give us 2 more, and then we'll beat you by 1. Please, here's $5 million." See, it doesn't work in real life, man. It doesn't work. It works in corporate America. It don't work in the government. You can't call the Secretary of State and say, "Hey, just find me 11,000 votes. Just bring them out of Mike Pence's whatever, just find me 11." It doesn't work that way. So, my friends, that's a whole nother story. Take that up on KP Video News and stuff. And just pray for America. We need your prayers right now. We need your thoughts and stuff. And we love you guys very much. I know a lot of my audience is overseas. Like I just got that from the gentleman in Canada saying crypto is more crazier than Trump as I'm talking to you right now. But it's good. Things are going on right now. A lot of information out there, my friends. A lot of books out there on the cannabis sector. You know what's going on. Everybody knows what's going on right now with cannabis. Crypto, we're there. Our Mexico cannabis trade is blowing up, my friends. Are you guys, on a daily basis now, are you eating your blueberries? Are you taking your blueberries? Because that's the staple of our Mexico cannabis trade, I believe. And John, John, don't sell early, okay? Let your winners run, my man. Just like when you were in Hive Blockchain early on with us, and then you sold out. A lot of people were guilty of that. Not only you. I don't want to single you out. A lot of people sold Hive early before it really got its mojo going, before it got to $1. But you know what? If you're in at 8 or 9 cents, guys, I'm not the one to tell you when you're 2 and 3 and 500% up not to sell or not to take some profits, because that's what this is about, my friends. And a lot of you are up so high right now. You're up thousands of percent, Got some of those options on Riot or something, some calls or something at 5 or 6. I mean, you guys are up buku money, which is a good thing. That's what this is about, because at the end of the day, we got to feed our kids, and we got to feed our families and stuff. So that's why we get down this kind of way, my friends. But, my friends, as Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin goes down real fast, So when it comes down, that's an opportunity, I think, to get in. A lot of people are saying, "Well, it's never coming down. It's never coming down." I don't really like that type of language. When you say something will never come down, never come down. I don't like that kind of language. Ethereum now over 1,000. Ethereum is, let me check and get it for you right now here. The Ethereum price, we're looking at 1,207 for Ethereum right now. That's up there, my friends. And oh, wow, these prices are just, I mean, what's going on here? I mean, this is going wild. This is going crazy. Just like you were saying in Canada, saying it's crazy, But, losing and winning are part. We have the Mexico cannabis trade is really going good. We have our American companies already there. We're already on board, guys. Our Curaleaves, our True Leaf, our Green Thumb Industries, our Cressel Labs, our Planet 13s. We already have shares of those companies, and all of you should have. That should be the stable, those companies of what's going on, those multi-state operators, especially with Como saying yesterday that New York City is going to be open. He's trying to get New York City open for cannabis, regulated for cannabis, get it legalized for cannabis. So that will be big. And my friends, listen to the next shows, because some of the stocks going to zero. Look at my reports. Stocks going to zero. There's a playlist out there. Did about 4, 5, 6, 7 of those shows. Stocks going to zero and marijuana stocks to buy. Look at those, because some of those stocks going to zero are going to have rebirths, because as New York, Connecticut, New Jersey, and the East Coast, we need tax money, guys. We need tax money. COVID has torn things up. We need tax money. States need money. They need money for everybody needs money. So as that tax money is needed, my friends, they're going to be legalizing, and you're going to see stocks that were left for dead. I'm talking about baby knockouts that for us went from under a quarter to over $5 and $6. Well, those baby knockouts that were bottomed out at 5, 6, and 7 cents, hold on to your wigs and toupees. This next phase may bring them to life. Now, is that a bigger risk than the Mexico cannabis? Yes, it is. Because those companies that we have in Latin America right now are going to be the suppliers. They're going to be the world suppliers, my friends, because they can grow all year round. They have the best weather. They can do it all, my friends, at only 4 and 5 and 6 cents a gram. So no one in the world will be able to compete with them. Why do you think in the 80s, 70s, 80s, probably even the 90s until they caught up with it, those drug cartels, they supplied the world. They have the network to do it. They have the distribution. They supply the world. Now, if you look at our videos, when we were down in Mexico doing our research and we were looking around, and I'll tell you guys, it was not easy asking people down in Mexico about something that was illegal because people didn't want to talk to me. And, it was like, I was trailed a couple times and I had to like get out of Dodge and go to another area and stuff because they don't, legal. They think you're out there, you're on their turf and stuff. And it wasn't happening that way. But I did talk to a guy down there. He's a drug dealer, right? His family has hit their feet in the pharmaceutical area, which, the pharmacies are going to get a pharmacy on every corner. They're going to be able to sell. Also, the pharmacies and along with the government, there'll be government sponsored stores. And then the guys on the street will be, doing their thing. So it's kind of getting straightened out right now. But with the legislation comes out, they'll have some framework for how they can work that. And we expect that February, March, April, the deal. They're saying February, so it might be more. But I believe that it's going to happen. So as we get closer, our 3 horses in the race will do very, very well. Their production costs are so low, and they have the best in the world. So people will tell you that. People will tell you that they grow. There's no question. You can put stuff in a lab here in America in a grow room or something. The natural is the natural, man. The natural's the natural. You ever seen a guy like I was on the baseball field. I was kind of a little natural. Just kidding, guys. But like a Michael Jordan or somebody, natural, a LeBron James or somebody, just a natural good athlete. That's what you have down in Latin America. You have natural growing, organic type stuff where you can do it in the lab, but I'm going to tell you, it's not the same. So you're going to have companies in America and in Canada, though their supply is going to be from Latin America, from Mexico. That's why I'm keying on this Mexico cannabis trade. It's not only Mexico that's going to legalize, but with Chiron taking care of the medical down there, the medical need and being in with the hospitals and stuff, it's game on. It's game on, guys. So let's look forward to that, and let's let these winners run. I know some of you, like I said, you're over 100% already on 1 or 2 of the stocks already, my friends. But let the winners run. Let's not get in a situation 2 years in a row, John. Not 2 years in a row. So we're going to go ahead and make it happen this year. No cutting out on us. Don't cut out, even if it's running really, really well. Don't cut out on us. It's going to be a great time. Right? I do expect, if things go on in America here and we have some issues, people have taken profits in gold a little bit. They will be taking profits on Bitcoin. My friends, and they'll be taking profits like I have been on the crypto stocks, because they've gone hog wild. So it's not a bad idea to take a little bit of profit here and there. My friends, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that red button there. Like, share the videos, my friends. I don't often tell you that, to like and share, because I like to keep our tight-knit group, because this is the group I want to take to me to this other venue, guys. Because you guys have made a lot of money and you know what the game is all about. You know you got to feed your family. You got to go ahead and pay off that second mortgage. You got to do whatever it is you have to do to get paid and broken off, my friends. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Pray for America. America's going to be all right. We're going to take a look. I'm going to be doing my research, guys. If any of those companies that are baby knockouts that are coming back from the dead, if I see any hope in them, I will be reporting them to you guys. And also chime in, let me know, if you guys have been here for a while, if you find some of those other stocks right now that are Bitcoin, Ethereum related right now, just chime in and tell me, hey, I've made 700% on this one. I've done, very well on that one. And it's not, put it out there. It's a new industry. So far we've made mega money on basically 4 different plays, 3 of which are, in the other play. So there are more than just those 4 plays out there, guys, that we've made mega money on. So love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. I'm going to put links right up here. There'll be some links right up here for the books. There'll be some links also for the store. Make sure you get your baby knockout gear, guys. Go to the store, get your baby knockout sweater. Get your baby knockout. It look good on you ladies. That pink, it looks really good on you. Fellas, you can't rock that color pink. You can rock some other color pink, but these look good. The tank tops on the ladies, they look really, really nice, because I know I've had one. So they look right. They look really, really good. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.